How do frogs breathe? Breathing is the process of taking in oxygen from surrounding and giving out carbon dioxide. The breathing process is different in different animals like in reptiles, mammals, birds, aquatic animals, etc. Frogs just after birth are called tadpoles. They breathe through gills and skin. It sounds weird, but this is a part of incredible nature. When they grow into land animals, they start breathing from the lungs. Whatever the stage of a frog is, all the breathing is regulated by the throat. Tadpoles lose their gills when they become frogs, and this is called metamorphosis, which is the process of converting from an immature to an adult. Frogs do not open their mouths while breathing. The temperature also affects the frog's breathing process. There are a few hairy frogs also, categorized under frogs, and they breathe through lungs. Frogs can also breathe by the skin. This also helps them to stay in the water. How does wood catch fire? A chemical reaction that occurs between wood, fuel and oxygen when the fuel used reaches the ignition point is called fire. Ignition point of a substance means the temperature at which the reaction occurs. When wood starts to heat using some external source, the cellulose material that is present in the wood decomposes, which then releases volatile gas known as smoke. The gas produced later are broken into molecules which combine to form oxygen, carbon dioxide and other gases continue to burn. The chemical reaction thus caused produces new heat which maintains the ignition temperature of the fuel and the oxygen. The heat produced can spread to other fuels as well as gases, thus spreading fire. Shape of fuel and amount of energy released during combustion decide the speed and effect of the fuel burnt. It should be understood that fire released from different fuels behave differently. How do eyebrows protect eyes? Eyebrows protect eyes because they serve the function of keeping the dust far aside from eyes. They also keep dirt falling away from eyes. Another function is to keep sweat away from eyes. Due to eyebrows, humans find easy to make various expressions of the face, and they effectively show the expression of anger, happiness and surprise, etc. Eyebrows also protect eyes from the light as they reduce the amount of light directly falling into eyes. Some of the other absolute reason for growing eyebrows for a lady is their beauty, because humans are the most creative living beings among all creatures. For a baby to wash hair, eyebrows play a vital role from protecting its eyes from chemical substance of shampoo. For the human gestures, eyebrows have a main portion for all humans. Hence, in all aspects, eyelashes improve the facial beauty and make best possible shape for the human face. How are fruits ripened artificially? We really feel impatient sometimes to eat our favorite fruits in off seasons. In this way, sometimes we invite several diseases because such fruit may be artificially ripened by calcium carbide (CaC2), which can really affect our health. Calcium carbide is wrapped in some cloth and then is kept in a box where fruit is also kept. Here, chemical reaction takes place because of moisture present in fruit, and acetylene gas produces which accelerates the ripening process in fruit. Such ripened fruit no doubt looks more appealing to eyes, but in reality tastes not so good as the naturally ripened fruit does. Calcium carbide also contains some amount of arsenic and phosphorus, so a fruit ripened by it can cause diseases like cancer, abnormalities, etc. In most of the countries, it is banned.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.